Good morning, Prep 3. We will start trigonometry and geometry. Unit 4, Lesson 2, the main trigonometrical ratios of some angles. The trigonometry ratios of some angles, angle 30, angle 60, and angle 45 degree. Sine 30 degree equals half, sine 60 equals square root of 3 over 2, sine 45 degree equals 1 over square root of 2, cosine 30 equals square root of 3 over 2, cosine 60 equals half, and cosine 45 degree equals 1 over square root of 2. Tan 30 equals 1 over square root of 3, tan 60 equals square root of 3, and tan 45 equals 1. How to find sine 30, cosine 30, and tan 30? And how to find sine 60, cosine 60, and cosine tan? And how to find sine 45, cosine 45, tan 45? At first, triangle ABC is right-angled triangle at B. Measure of angle B equals 90 degree. And measure of angle C equals 30 degree. And measure of angle A equals 60 degree. And this special triangle, is it called 30 and 60 triangle? 30 and 60 triangle, a special triangle. It is called 30 and 60 triangle. And in it, the length of line segment that opposite angle 30 equals half of the length of hypotenuse. Again, it is fact. In right-angled triangle, in 30 and 60 triangle, in 30 and 60 triangle, the length of line segment that opposite angle 30 equals half of the length of hypotenuse. Then AB, the length of line segment AB equals half the length of hypotenuse length AC. AB equals half of AC. It is fact in 30 and 60 triangle. Assume AB equals L unit length, then AC equals 2L unit length. By applying Pythagoras Theorem, find CB, the length of CB. CB square equals the length of hypotenuse square minus AC square minus AB square. Equals AC square equals what? AC square equals 2L square minus AB square equals L square. Equals 2L square equals 4L square minus L square equals 3L square. Then CB equals square root of 3L square equals square root of 3L unit length. Then CB equals square root of 3L.
Find the ratios between three side lengths in this triangle.
AB to BC to AC. AB to BC to AC, L to PC, square root of 3L to AC to L. Cancel L. Then the ratios between three side lengths in this triangle equals 1, 2, square root of 3, 2, 2. AB, the ratio 1, 2, PC, square root of 3, and AC 2. 1 to square root of 3 to 2. Okay? Then sine 30 equals what? Sine 30, the ratios between opposite over hypotenuse. Then sine 30 equals 1 over 2. Cosine 30 equals what? Cosine 30 equals the ratios between adjacent over hypotenuse. Square root of 3 over 2. Tan 30 equals what? Tan 30, the ratios between opposite over adjacent, 1 over square root of 3 in this table. Sine 30, 1 over 2. Cosine 30, square root of 3 over 2. Tan 30, 1 over square root of 3. Okay. How to find sine 60, cosine 60, and tan 60? Sine 60 equals opposite over hypotenuse, square root of 3 over 2. Cosine 60 equals what? Adjacent over hypotenuse equals 1 over 2. Tan 60 equals what? Opposite over adjacent. Opposite equals square root of 3 over 1. From this table, sine 60 equals square root of 3 over 2, cosine 60 equals 1 over 2, and tan 60 equals square root of 3. Do you understand how to find sine 30, cosine 30, and tan 30? Sine 60, cosine 60, and tan 60 from 30 and 60 triangle. How to find sine 45 degree, cosine 45 degree, and tan 45 degree. ABC is right angled triangle at B, and it is isosceles triangle. The length of BA equals the length of BC. By similarity, assume PA equals L unit length, L unit length, and BC, the length of line segment BC equals L unit length. By applying Pythagoras Theorem, find the length of CA square equals CA square equals AB square plus CB square equals AB square equals L square plus L square equals L square plus L square equals 2L square. By taking square root by each side, CA equals square root of 2L square equals square root of 2L unit length. Square root of 2L. L square root of 2L. Find the ratios between BA, BC, and CA. PA to BC to CA. L to L. Cancel L with L equals the ratio between three side lengths in this triangle 1 to 1 to square root of 2. Find sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree, the ratios between opposite over hypotenuse 1 over square root of 2. Cosine 45 degree, the ratios between adjacent over hypotenuse 1 over square root of 2. Tan 45 degree equals the ratios between opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent equals what? Yes, excellent. Equals 1. Sine 45 degree equals 1 over square root of 2. Cosine 45 degree equals 1 over square root of 2. And tan 45 degree equals 1. Do you understand how to find sine, cosine, tan for 30 angle, 60 angle, and 45 angle? Okay. Without using the calculator, prove that cosine 60 degree plus 2 sine square 45 degree equals sine 30 degree plus 3 tan square 30 degree. We noted that sine square 45 degree, this means sine 45 degree to the power 2. Do you understand? Okay. At first, left side equals cosine 60 degree plus 2 sine square 45 degree equals cosine 60 degree equals what? Equals half. Excellent. Equals half plus 2 times sine 45 degree equals 1 over square root of 2. 1 over square root of 2 square equals half plus 2 times 1 over square root of 2 square equals 2 equals 1 over 2. 2 times 1 over 2 equals 1 equals half plus 1 equals 1 and half. Number 1. Right side equals sine 30 degree plus 3 tan square 30 degree equals sine 30 degree equals cosine 60 degree because 60 and 30 are complementary angles. Cosine 60 equals sine 30 equals half plus 3 times tan 30 degree equals 1 over square root of 3 square equals half plus 3 times 1 over 3. 3 cancel with 3 equals half plus 1 equals 1 and half. Number 2. From 1 and 2, left side equal right side, 1.5. Then cosine 60 plus 2 sine square 45 equals sine 30 plus 3 tan square 30. By using calculator, find the main trigonometrical ratios of a given ratio. In the calculator, there are 3 K's: sine, cosine, and tan. By using the calculator, find the value of each of the following: sine 36 degree, cosine 72 degree 35 minutes, tan 50 degree 46 minutes 25 seconds. At first, by using calculator, sine 36 degree, press sine 36 equals. Number 2, cosine 72 degree 35 minutes, press cosine 72, comma 35, comma equals. Number 3, tan 50 degree 46 minutes 25 seconds. Press tan 50, comma 46, comma 25, comma equals. Then tan 50 degree 46 minutes 25 seconds equals this. Second, find the measure of the angle if one of its trigonometrical ratios is given. Sine A equals 0.6218. Then find the measure of angle. Vice versa. Sine A equals what? Find A. Okay? By using calculator, shift sign. Very, very important. Shift sign. 0.6218 equals, press comma equals, then angle A equals 38 degree 26 minutes and 52 seconds. Find the measure of A in each of the following, where A is the measure of an acute angle. Sine A equal 0.8, cosine A equal 0.7152, tan A equals 1.5156. Find A, find the measure of angle. Okay, shift sine 0.8 equals, comma, then measure of angle A equals 53 degree 7 minutes and 45 seconds. By similarity, cosine A equals 0.7152. Press shift cosine 0.7152 equals, press comma equals, the measure of angle A equals 45 degree 20 minutes and 25 seconds. Tan A equals 1.5156. Press shift tan 1.5156 equals, press comma equals, A approximated 56 degree 34 minutes and 59 seconds. Do you understand how to find sine and how to find the angle? Okay. Thanks for listening and have a nice day.